Meditation alludes to a state where your body and psyche are intentionally loose and centered. Experts of this craftsmanship purport expanded mindfulness, concentration, and fixation, as well as a more inspirational perspective throughout everyday life. Meditation is a gathering of mental preparation methods. You can utilize meditation to work on emotional well-being and limits, and furthermore to assist with working on the actual well-being. What is meditation? Most strategies called contemplation incorporate these parts. You sit or lie in a casual position. You concentrate your contemplations upon some sound, some word you rehash, some picture, some theoretical idea, or some inclination. Your entire consideration ought to be pointed at the article you have decided to think upon. You quit pondering regular issues and matters. You inhale routinely. You take in profound enough to get sufficient oxygen. Whenever you inhale out, you loosen up your muscles, so your lungs are all around exhausted, yet without stressing. Assuming a few unfamiliar contemplations creep in, you stop this unfamiliar idea and return to the object of reflection. Meditation is normally connected with priests, spiritualists, and other otherworldly teachers. In any case, you don't need to be a priest or spiritualist to partake in its advantages. Also, you don't need to be in an extraordinary spot to rehearse it. You might attempt it in your own lounge. The different meditation procedures vary, as per the level of focus, and how unfamiliar contemplations are taken care of. By certain procedures, the goal is to think so seriously that no unfamiliar contemplations happen by any means. Despite the fact that there are various ways to deal with meditation, the basic standards continue as before. The most significant among these standards is that of eliminating obstructive, negative, and meandering contemplations and dreams, and quieting the brain with a profound feeling of concentration. This gets the psyche free from garbage and sets it up for a more excellent of action. In different strategies, the focus is more loose, so unfamiliar contemplations effectively spring up. At the point when these unfamiliar contemplations are found, one shuts down these and returns to the unadulterated meditation in a casual way. Considerations coming up will regularly be about things you have neglected or stifled, and permit you to rediscover stowed away memory material. This rediscovery will have a psychotherapeutic impact. The effects of meditation has the accompanying impacts. Meditation will give you rest and entertainment. Meditation is generally pleasant. You figure out how to unwind. Meditation has helpful impacts upon inward body processes, similar to course, breath, and assimilation. You figure out how to focus better on critical thinking. Meditation regularly has a decent impact upon the circulatory stream. Standard meditation will work with the insusceptible framework. Standard meditation will have a psychotherapeutically impact. A few specialists even shut out all tactile info, no sights, no sounds, and nothing to contact, and attempt to segregate themselves from the upheaval around them. You may now zero in on a profound, Significant idea assuming this is your objective. It might appear to be stunning from the get-go, since we are generally very acclimated with continually hearing and seeing things. However, as you proceed with this activity, you will end up turning out to be more mindful of everything around you. But there's a difference between hypnosis and meditation. Hypnosis might have a portion of similar unwinding and psychotherapeutic impacts as meditation. Notwithstanding, when you contemplate, you are in charge yourself. By hypnosis, you let another individual or some mechanical gadget control you. Additionally, hypnosis won't have a preparation impact upon the capacity to think. A simple form of meditation here is a straightforward type of meditation. Sit in a decent seat in an agreeable position. Quit contemplating anything, or if nothing else, do whatever it takes not to ponder anything. Loosen up the entirety of your muscles also as you can. Breath out, loosening up every one of the muscles in your breathing mechanical assembly. Rehash the accompanying in 10-20 minutes. Breath in so profound that you believe you get sufficient oxygen. Breath out, loosening up your chest and stomach totally. Each time you inhale out, think the word or one more straightforward word inside yourself. You should think the word in a delayed way, thus that you hear it inside you. Yet you should attempt to try not to utilize your mouth or voice. On the off chance that unfamiliar contemplations come in, shut down these considerations in a casual way, and continue to think upon the breathing and the word you rehash. On the off chance that you observe the pondering positions you see on TV, compromising those with incomprehensibly angled backs, and agonizing looking reshapings you want not stress. The rule here is to be in an agreeable position helpful for fixation. This might be while sitting leg over leg, standing, resting, and in any event, strolling. Free, agreeable garments assist a great deal in the process, since tight-fitting garments would tending to stifle you up and cause you to feel tense. Quietness helps a great many people unwind and ponder, so you might need a tranquil, separated region a long way from the ringing of the telephone or the murmuring of the clothes washer. Satisfying aromas additionally help in such manner. So loading up on sweet-smelling candles isn't an impractical notion, all things considered. On the off chance that the position permits you to unwind and center, that would be a decent beginning stage. While sitting or standing, the back ought to be straight, yet not tense or tight. In different positions, the just no is slumping and nodding off. The spot you perform meditation ought to have a calming environment. It could be in your lounge room, or a room, or any spot that you feel good in. You could need an activity mat on the off chance that you intend to take on the additional difficult positions, assuming you feel more engaged doing as such. And on the off chance that the flexible performer in you is shouting for discharge, you might need to have the spot organized so it is alleviating to your faculties. As you continue through this meditation, you should feel consistently more loose in your brain and body. Feel that you inhale consistently more actually, and that the blood course all through your body gets more productive. You may likewise feel an expanding mental delight all through the meditation. The effects of meditation upon diseases. As any sort of preparing, meditation might be misrepresented with a goal that you get drained and broken down. Accordingly, you ought not ponder so lengthy or so focused that you feel tired or intellectually purged. Meditation may now and again give issues for individuals experiencing mental sicknesses, epilepsy, genuine heart issues, or neurological illnesses. Then again, meditation might be of help in the treatment of these in different circumstances. Individuals experiencing such circumstances should look at what impacts the various types of meditation have on their own sort of medical conditions prior to starting to rehearse meditation, and be wary assuming that they decide to start to reflect. It could be savvy to gain meditation from an accomplished instructor, analyst, or well-being laborer that utilization meditation as a treatment module for the real illness. Studies have shown that meditation achieves useful physiologic impacts to the body. What's more, there has been a developing agreement in the clinical local area to additionally review the impacts of such. So begin presently in making your well-being and prosperity. Begin pondering today.